Hi there, welcome to Jiva Yoga Live. My name is Jane. Today we're going to take a look at chair pose, Utkatasana. Today's pose features chair pose, Utkatasana. It stretches the entire spine, chest, shoulders, and strengthens the ankles, calves, and hip flexors. It also reduces the symptoms associated with flat feet and stimulates the abdominal organs, diaphragm, and the heart. Utkatasana. So bring your big toes together in the center of the mat with your heels slightly off each other. So we'll say like about a thumb's width distance on average. Bring your hands to your hips for a second and bend your knees just a little bit and just notice that your knees track straight ahead with your heels slightly off each other. This is good for longevity for the knees, okay? Good, now from here, just take a moment, relax your arms alongside you. Inhale, Utkatasana, knees bend, hips drop back and down. Inhale, raise your arms up so your biceps frame your ears. So depending on whether you're super bendy, you'll have a tendency to kind of stick your tail out and let your front ribs flail. In that case, you can soften your front ribs into your waistline, and the effects of this will fill out the kidney band in the back body. The challenge here is to draw the arm bones back so the biceps actually frame the ears so that the opening is not in the spine, but actually the opening becomes in the chest and the shoulders and the relationship between the upper arms and the sides of the ribs. So she's drawing her knees back so the weight is in the heels. One way I like to check this in my own practice is just to lift all 10 toes, spread them, and then relax them down, prioritizing the weight in the heels. Her gaze is straight ahead. Her eyes are soft and one-pointed instead of hard and outward oriented. 2 more breaths. The fingertips are nice and lively. There's a fullness and expression. Take 1 more final breath. Maybe look up. And as you exhale, hinge from the hips and bow forward. We hope you've enjoyed Utkatasana tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.